Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Whiteface Lodge. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Whiteface Lodge located in Lake Placid. The Whiteface Lodge is 1.5 miles from Lake Placid and is 1.4 miles from Mirror Lake. The resort offers guests on-site bowling, billiards, hot tubs and swimming in either the outdoor or indoor pool. The suites at Whiteface Lodge have an elegant decor and they use natural colors and wooden furnishings to complete the style. Each one has a kitchen and spa bath. Certain suites have an additional private bathroom. The on-site spa offers guests massages and beauty services. There are also on-site restaurants, a lounge and an ice cream parlor. Kamp Kanu is an on-site program for entertaining children with activities and games. The resort also has a movie theater and a seasonal ice skating rink. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.